वेलकम टू STAB एग्ज़ाम फोरम। STAB एग्ज़ाम फोरम में आपका स्वागत है। स्टूडेंट, जैसा आपको पता है कि DRDO एडमिन एंड एलाइड कैडर के एडमिट कार्ड आ चुके हैं एंड आपके पास ओनली 10 दिन ही बाकी हैं। ओके, यू हैव ओनली 10 डेज़ लेफ्ट फॉर द प्रिपरेशन। सो उसी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हमने ये वीडियो बनाई है जिसमें वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू द प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी। Okay, so let's see the video. So student, your exam is admin and allied cadre. Okay, so there are different posts. I have already made the job profile for DRDO admin and allied. You can check it out. Okay, so for preparation strategy you should know the exam pattern. Okay, so very first point is you should know exam pattern. Okay, तो एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है स्टूडेंट? यू शुड नो द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो यू हैव नॉट गॉन थ्रू द एडवर्टीजमेंट, यू शुड नो एटलीस्ट हाउ मैनी क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. ओके, हाउ मैनी क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम you will have 75 questions that you need to attempt in 60 minutes. Okay, so 75 क्वेश्चन होंगे इस एग्ज़ाम में और इसके लिए आपको 60 मिनट ही मिलेंगे, मतलब 1 आवर का एग्ज़ाम होगा एंड यू नीड टू अटेम्प्ट 75 क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो अगली बात आती है प्रिपरेशन को लेके लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके स्टूडेंट, लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके, लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन. स्टूडेंट, किस लेवल के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जनरली वो पास्ट एग्ज़ाम से हम पता कर सकते हैं, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो one good thing is recently for STAB we have done exam analysis. Okay, we have done exam analysis. Okay, exam analysis, so it will be similar to that exam. Okay, the level of question you can check it out. There are 3 videos on exam analysis for 3 different days. You can check it out, all those questions. Are you able to answer those questions? What are the level of questions, what questions they are asking? Okay, okay, so the next important thing for admin and allied preparation, you should know the syllabus. Okay, student are generally asking me what is the syllabus for admin and allied. Again, I have already made this video on syllabus detailed one. Okay, detailed one. Okay, there is one playlist, you can check it out. I have already told you about the detailed syllabus. For the sake of video I am going to tell you what are the sections in it. Okay, there are basically 4 sections. What are those sections? The first one is quantitative aptitude. Okay, जिसको हम मैथ्स भी कहते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड वन इज रीजनिंग एबिलिटी. आपकी तर्क शक्ति कैसी है, तर्क शक्ति की कला कैसी है. ओके, और आपको जैसे पता है रीजनिंग एबिलिटी में 2 चीज़ें आती हैं, क्या? वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल. ओके, अगला आता है जर्नल अवेयरनेस. स्टूडेंट, इस जर्नल अवेयरनेस में यू हैव 2 थिंग्स, स्टैटिक जीके, second one is the current affairs, and the last one is general English. General English. Okay, so student, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, general awareness, general English में क्या क्या पूछे जाते हैं based on the past experience, past exam analysis, we have made a detailed video. Just check it out. It will not take more than I think 10 minutes for you. Okay, so you will have over and all understanding what question might be asked in that exam. Okay, shall we move forward? So student, हमने एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न को समझ लिया. जो अभी नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है वो है टाइम ड्यूरेशन. ओके, टाइम ड्यूरेशन. So as you know, you have only 10 to 12 days left okay, 10 to 12. Okay, so in this particular time you need to brush up your basics first thing, and second, I will make a schedule for you. You can follow if you like it. In the morning सुबह में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जो आपके थियोरेटिकल पोर्शन है, जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या होते हैं हर टॉपिक में, उनको आप रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज you must be giving always competitive exam na, so revise those concept based on the syllabus what we told you. Okay, the second thing is in afternoon and evening what you can do, you can do mock test. Okay, don't go into some particular book at this particular time because you don't have any time. So this mock test will help you very much in building your confidence, clearing your concept more. So I recommend you to go for the mock test in these particular 10-12 days. Okay, in morning you clear your concept, pick up a topic, clear one concept, and after a noon and evening you just try to give mock test for that particular topic. Okay, so let me write for you. First one step, you should pick a topic. For example, you pick a topic, average in quantitative aptitude. Okay, average in quantitative aptitude. This is a common topic in which you will find easy level, difficult level, and very much hard level. Okay, so pick up a random topic that you are comfortable with initially. Okay, after that, if you are very strong enough, go for the mock test. Okay, go for the mock test for this particular topic. Okay, so this one is applicable only for quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. Okay, for current affairs you can do it. Okay, and again it is applicable also for Journal English. Okay, so for example in Journal English there are some rules like how to convert direct indirect. If you know the rules, then you can only attempt those questions, right? So you can prepare these topic in morning and afternoon and evening. Just try to check those concept with the help of some mock test. Okay, so the very next and very important thing that I want to say, you should know your strength and weakness. I always emphasize on strength and weakness because you have only 10 days left. Okay, you cannot start from begin to end. Okay, and even your syllabus is vast. आपका syllabus है that is very vast. So 10 days is not sufficient for building those concepts. So better check your strength and weakness. So for example, if you are good in quantitative aptitude like average or percentage or anything, you try to first clear those strengths. Okay, and suppose if you are weak in reasoning, so just pick up one topic like blood relation. You pick, learn all the concept related to blood relation. Okay, then go for the mock test. Okay, so student, you do not follow particular book at this time. Do not follow particular book at this time. Why? Because it is not like a school exam. Okay, so you need to cover all the topic for sure, because every topic is important. And what more thing you can do, we have given you some model questions on each and every topic. Okay, some model questions on each and every topic. I will share you all the links of these topic. You can look at those topic and try to solve as many as question. That is our thing. Okay, so I hope what I told you, this preparation strategy might work for you. Okay, because you have only 10 to 12 days left. Okay, you have only 10 to 12 days left. That is only the thing in which आपको पूरी मेहनत करनी है. इसी टाइम 10 दिन में आपको कैसे करना है ये मैंने आपको पूरी वीडियो में बताया है। ओके, आई होप आपको कुछ समझ आया है। अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन राइट इन आवर कमेंट बॉक्स, वी विल ट्राई टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस। ओके, so thank you once again and have a nice day.